last quarter. Inter High, Sulangan National High School versus Taytay Integrated School, Giwan Eastern Samar. 3 points. Fourth quarter. Walang tira, wala. Pangalawang tira, wala pa rin. Number 4, number 9, back to number 9, number 19, Binga by number 13.
Number 10,
3 points.
Abson.
3 points on number 13.
46 to 40,
Number 19, Palpal.
Number 13, Dex.
Nakaw play.
Nice good. By number 13, Iglupas.
Iglupas.
Ten seconds to shot.
Number 10 to number
10
13.
seconds to shot.
5 seconds to shoot. 3 points. Airball.
Nasaan?
Line ball.
Ten. Iglupas, next. One shot. Here comes Sergio. Pagpaplo at Desember. Okay. Estado Napisan.
Substitution. Nakahiga. Injury.
Pablo.
Agro. Nice. Number 20.
Katakutan.
Orang Sulangan.
Talavera. Tututu. Comfortable.
3 points.
Dua saja terhadap grafix. WhatsApp. Bukan nomor Perso.
Magic shot.
Bagaimana satu lagi shot. Pensa por haber eleven. Pinapirmaitan.
3 points.
Sesya Petri.
Airball. Bola ng Sulangan. Bola ng Taytay. Last 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Last quarter. Score 44 to 52 in favor of Sulangan.
Tutulong ba? Pablo. Nakuha di siya. Rebound number 9. Head to shoot.
3 points. Wala, di
Down to
pumasok.
net.
Ay, foul. Bagsak.
Ay pito. Foul na number 4, Duran.
Foul throw. Unang tira, wala. Pangalawang tira. Pasok.
52 to 45.
Score.
Single points lead.
45-52.
Sulangan, National High School.
Sulangan.
3 minutes and 20 seconds. Head to shoot.
Number 25.
Number
Number
25,
5. Pumasok.
Pumasok. More times
By
Latino.
number 4.
To Addison.
Madali. Kulyahan. Sabong sa itaas.
Foul on number 11, Talavera.
Foul ang Talavera. Ang tira.
Leonard Perpinante. Sulangan.
Pangalawang tira. Yes, lucky bounce.
Timeout, Sulangan.
Out. Sulangan.
National High School.
Sulangan National High School. Score 47-52 in favor of Sulangan. Last 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Fourth quarter.
3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Timing.
Sertals Talavera. Talavera.
Talavera.
Block.
Lock.
Number 25.
Lock again.
Tension. Tersa Peterso. And to shot.
Number 13. Nag-fake. Pumasok. Tumira.
Addison. Acrobatic shot.
Ating jelly shot. By number 13.
Tersa Peterso.
Agaw na naman ng number 10. Tira ng
Sets up
3.
for three.
Yes!
Yes, sir.
Naman by number 10. Points. Mahabol na.
Super Pedos.
Deadlock ang score. Katakutan.
Number 25.
25. Padol yun. Double
The
play
ball.
ball.
The ball.
Score. Deadlock. At 52. Last 2 minutes and 8 seconds.
Addison.
Here comes Taytay. Number 13.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
And the shot.
All up.
Addison.
Number 13.
Addison.
Yes, pasok. Lamang na ang TIS.
Dito.
54 to 52. Change favor.
One minute at 30 seconds.
Putan. Babawi.
And the shot.
Wala, sayang.
Bako.
Pasok. Tatapik. Gumas. Malpan. Baksak si Big Boy.
Time out.
Time out.
National High
Sulangan
School.
National High School. Time in. Gumas.
Time to shot. 5 to shot.
Katakutan. Yes.
Basket.
Basket.
Good.
Deadlock na naman.
Pareho.
Yes, 54. Close fight.
Hey, Michelle. Addison. Shot shot.
Wala.
Lumabas. Addison.
Nice
Nice.
play. By number
Right
30.
number 30, Addison. The small, not very boy. 55 seconds.
Takutan.
Takutan.
Basket. Ay kasama pang
Kasama
foul.
ng foul, basket count, foul number 22.
Score. Deadlock
Kung saan lang
56.
pwede ba, time out?
Last 50 and 0.3 seconds. Last quarter. Mag-free throw pa si Katakutan ng Sulangan. Bonus throw. Wala. Sayang. Rebound ng ICS. Rebound ng TIS. Jump ball. Sabi ng referee. Jump ball. Bola ng Sulangan.
Pareho, both teams.
Hindi ako may mga intermission, ano, masayaw.
Sagat na.
Double upload. Mga player nga na yung nasayaw, ato kaya upload sayaw.
Sayo. Ako kay try mo panit dito wala ay boklo.
Dapat na video ka na, video kan madam.
Dirit na ako. Baga.
Pakita kita.
Magdadara kang cameraman.
Team Dalmo. Second version of Vincent Talavera. 46.5 seconds.
Talavera.
Pagpabasket, may kaibaw.
Ayos, exciting naman. Kanina, wala yung kanina yung sa
Botong sa. Defense. Na-concentra na yung mga Titans.
Pero makausap naman natin na nasa high school, D1.
Diri pa yung chapter.
46.5 seconds.
Lamang hirang sa ano? Nakashoot diri. Tapos, doon natin magbalik. Doon na lang ito.
The score, 27 to 26. PRS by 1 point. 46.5 seconds. Third personal foul on Yerso. No. One second to shoot.
Shot ko.
Morena. 4 seconds. 4.8 seconds. 4.8. By
Last day of the ball
Magua.
game. 56 to 57. Panalo ang Taytay Integrated School versus Sulangan National High School.